What if I told you that you could be taking vitamin D every day and it's not fully working? And what if the real issue isn't how much vitamin D you're taking, but whether your body can actually activate it? Today we're talking about two nutrients that work together in a powerful way, vitamin D and magnesium, and how they support your immune system. Welcome to Springforth Health and Wellness. I'm Dr. Nkiru, and here we break down science-backed health information in a way that helps you make better decisions about your body. Let's get into it. When people say boost your immunity, it sounds simple, but your immune system is complex. It has two main parts: your innate immunity, your first line of defense, and your adaptive immunity, your learned, specialized response. A healthy immune system isn't just strong, it's balanced. Too weak, and you get frequent infections. Too aggressive, and inflammation increases. Balance is the goal. Now, D. Most people associate vitamin D with bone health, but vitamin D receptors are found on many immune cells, including T cells, B cells, and macrophages. That means vitamin D directly influences immune function. It helps immune cells recognize pathogens. It supports antimicrobial peptide production. It regulates inflammatory cytokines, and it helps prevent excessive immune reactions. In simple terms, vitamin D helps your immune system respond appropriately, not underreacting and not overreacting. Research has shown that low vitamin D levels are associated with increased susceptibility to respiratory infections. But here's something many people overlook. Vitamin D from sunlight or supplements is not immediately active. It must go through two conversion steps in the body, first in the liver, then in the kidneys to become its active form. And this process requires magnesium. Without adequate magnesium, vitamin D cannot be properly activated. That means you could be taking vitamin D, but your body may not be using it efficiently. This is why it's important. Magnesium doesn't just support immunity on its own, it enables vitamin D to function properly. Now let's look at magnesium more closely. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body. When it comes to immunity, magnesium plays several key roles. It supports T cell activation. It helps regulate immune cell signaling. It influences cytokine balance. And it plays a role in controlling inflammatory pathways. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to increased oxidative stress and higher levels of inflammation. In other words, low magnesium can weaken immune efficiency and increase inflammatory stress at the same time. And unfortunately, many people don't get enough magnesium through diet. Highly processed foods, chronic stress, poor sleep, all of these can contribute to magnesium depletion. Now let's talk. Inflammation is a natural part of the immune response, but chronic inflammation is harmful. Vitamin D helps regulate inflammatory cytokines. Magnesium helps control inflammatory signaling pathways. Together, they help maintain immune balance. And this is important because immune health is not about aggressive stimulation. It's about regulation. It's about giving your body what it needs to function properly. Now I want to clarify something. Research shows that supplementation tends to be most beneficial in people who are deficient. More is not always better. The goal is not mega dosing. The goal is correcting deficiencies and maintaining healthy levels. So how can you support these nutrients? Vitamin D can be obtained from safe sun exposure, fatty fish, fortified foods and supplements when needed. Magnesium is found in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Certain groups may be at higher risk of deficiency, including people with limited sun exposure, older adults, individuals with darker skin, people with digestive disorders, and those experiencing chronic stress. If you suspect deficiency, testing and professional guidance are important, because you cannot correct what you do not measure. Let's summarize. Vitamin D helps regulate immune cells, supports antimicrobial defense, and modulates inflammation. Magnesium activates vitamin D, supports immune signaling, and helps regulate inflammatory balance. Together, they form a partnership. Not hype, not trends, but physiology. When your body has what it needs, your immune system performs more effectively and more intelligently. Before we close, I want to ask you, have you been focusing only on vitamin D without considering magnesium? Let me know your thoughts. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who cares about strengthening their immune health the right way. I'm Dr. Nikiru, and this is Springforth Health and Wellness. Take care of your health intentionally, and I'll see you in the next video.